In this hour, the divide is no longer subtle. The wheat and the tares are growing side by side, but the wind of the Spirit is beginning to blow, and the threshing is near. The temple has been infiltrated. Giants walk in robes, preaching peace while carrying rebellion in their bones. They quote scripture, but twist its meaning. They mimic holiness, but deny its power. These are not merely misguided souls. They are carriers of corrupted spiritual DNA. They're lawless by design. From Genesis to Revelation, the Word reveals a seed war between the children of the kingdom and the children of the serpent. This is not metaphor. It is spiritual reality. The serpent has seed. That seed resists truth, mocks righteousness, and infiltrates sacred spaces. Isaiah declared that even when shown favor, the wicked will not learn righteousness. Their DNA is defiance. Their blueprint is rebellion. But the remnant is rising. Those born of the Spirit carry holy fire in their bones. They discern the seed, not by appearance, but by fruit. They guard the temple, not with fear, but with authority. The call is clear: discern the seed. Guard the temple. This is not a suggestion. It is a mandate for every builder, every worshiper, every watchman on the wall. We must no longer tolerate lawlessness in the name of unity. We must no longer allow tares to dictate the tone of the sanctuary. The plumb line has dropped. The threshing floor is being swept. And the remnant must stand, not just with discernment, but with fire, clarity, and courage. This message is for those who refuse to build with corrupted beams, for those who see through the robes and recognize the DNA, for those who carry the word like a sword and the Spirit like a flame. The temple must be guarded. The seed must be discerned. The time is now. And I will put enmity between thee and the woman, and between thy seed and her seed. This is the origin of the conflict. Not just Cain versus Abel, but serpent seed versus righteous seed. It's a spiritual DNA war. One builds, one corrupts. Whosoever committeth sin transgresseth also the law, for sin is the transgression of the law. He that committeth sin is of the devil. Lawlessness isn't just behavior. It's spiritual inheritance. The children of the devil carry rebellion in their code. Let favor be shewed to the wicked, yet will he not learn righteousness. Even when shown mercy, they won't change. That's bad DNA, a seed that resists correction. Having a form of godliness, but denying the power thereof. They look holy, sound holy, but their spiritual blueprint is counterfeit. Like Jans and Jambers, they resist truth while performing signs. Certain men crept in unawares, turning the grace of our God into lasciviousness. They infiltrate the temple, twist grace, and build with corrupted materials. The tares are the children of the wicked one. They're not outside, they're in the field, in the temple, in the choir. But their DNA is lawless, and their fruit exposes them. Ye sons of the sorceress, the seed of the adulterer. Isaiah names the seed mockers, deceivers, spiritual infiltrators. These are tares in the temple, born of rebellion. For as many as are led by the Spirit of God, they are the sons of God. The true seed walks by the Spirit. Their DNA is obedience, discernment, and fire. But he that shall endure unto the end, the same shall be saved. Endurance is the mark of holy DNA. The remnant doesn't just survive, they build, stand, and shine.